In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off paragraph formatting marks in Microsoft Word. If you're seeing paragraph symbols, small dots between words, arrows, or other formatting marks in your document, don't worry. These are non-printing characters that help you see the structure of your document while editing. However, if they are distracting and you prefer a cleaner view, I'll show you exactly how to hide them. Let's start with the quickest and easiest method. Open Microsoft Word and go to the Home tab at the top of the screen. In the Paragraph section of the ribbon, look for the symbol that looks like a backward P, also known as the paragraph mark or Show Hide button. Simply click that symbol once. If the formatting marks disappear, that means they have been successfully turned off. If you ever need to see them again, you can click the same button to turn them back on. In some cases, clicking the Show Hide button may not remove all formatting marks. If that happens, you'll need to adjust the settings in Word Options. To do this, click the File tab in the upper left corner of the screen. From the menu, select Options. This will open the Word Options window. Inside the Word Options dialog box, click on Display from the panel on the left side. You will now see a section labeled Always Show These Formatting Marks on the screen. If any of the boxes in this section are checked, such as paragraph marks, spaces, tabs, or object anchors, those symbols will remain visible even if the Show Hide button is turned off. Uncheck any formatting marks you do not want to see. After clearing the checkboxes, click OK to apply the changes and close the window. Your document should now appear clean without the extra formatting symbols. It's important to remember that these marks never appear when you print your document. They are only visible on your screen to help with editing and formatting accuracy. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to turn off paragraph formatting marks in Microsoft Word. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.